the hell is this? Wait, what? Oh, that can't be good. Alright. That sucks. Oh, look at that. Oh well, we'll figure it out. Hello and welcome again to Off the Mountain, the most confused channel and everything and all the things. And it's about to get more confusing, so stay tuned. I've got an oil leak of some kind underneath there. I don't know where that's coming from yet. So I need to figure that out, but that can't be good. As a matter of fact, let me grab my handy light and let's take a quick peek, because I had just done this gasket here. I don't see anything. Oh, I guess I could turn the little light on that. That could be really handy. Yeah, I don't know where that oil came from. It makes me really nervous because there is a decent amount of oil back there, and I got to get underneath and figure out what that is. Not good. I got to fight the good fight and put the fan and everything else back in. But today I'm also going to show you guys how to prime the water system on the, oh god, that light is just, hold on, there it is. Prime the water system on these, which isn't all that hard. One nice thing about BMWs, at least in this particular one, if you have one with a mechanical pump, probably isn't going to work. But there's a way to prime it without turning the car on. It's kind of nice. I've done it a few times and I figured I'd do a video, so here's how to prime that pump. I gotta figure out what that oil leak is first. I just did an oil, I just did this guy here. So real quick on this. So this bolt here, there's a bolt down underneath here, and then there's a bolt back hidden underneath there. If you just loosen this guy up, just take all the bolts out and you know, take the you know, nuts off the studs and take this little guy out here. This moves out just enough for you to get back in there. But there's I don't know what that oil leak is, so I'm gonna go fix that, and I gotta stop doing that bright light in my face, and then I'll show you guys how to prime it. Stay tuned. Okay, boom, done, fixed. Come to find out, it was just washout from the issue that I had earlier, because apparently when you do that gasket, it also releases radiator fluid and oil, but doesn't matter. Fact of it is, we've got a little bit of a air pocket, to say the least, somewhere up in here. So what we're gonna do is, we got our 50-50 mix. Actually, I've already pre-mixed for this. I had another jug, but it says 50-50, so I know it's 50-50. But what we're gonna do is that we're gonna go inside, and I'm gonna show you the initialization procedure to do this with the car just kind of hanging out. You don't have to run it and wait for it to come up temperature and all this other stuff. You just run the short diag mode, almost, kind of. Here we go. Okay, so now we're in the car. All we gotta do is we're gonna turn the ignition on, and that's gonna turn this guy on. And then we're gonna maximize the heat at the lowest setting. All right, we're gonna turn the air conditioning off because that's not necessary. I don't think you really need to care about that. But now what we do is we hold the gas pedal down for 10 seconds. Do-do-do-do-do. Wait for it. There you go. So you'll hear it. You'll hear it start to buzz and fizz and do all these things. By the way, roll your window down, just in case you lock your keys in the car. So now, what's gonna happen is that if you see up here, hear all that noise? Look at that. See that little guy spitting water in there? There you go. That's what's going on. So now I'm gonna try to do this. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna be a smart man. Oh, yeah, we need those. Let's put those underneath there. We're gonna crack this guy open here, and we're gonna fill him up. Actually, while this is doing its thing, I'm gonna move this camera into a better spot. Now everybody gets to laugh at me at how I miss, which I shouldn't miss too much, but fill it up. To where it says max. Okay, there it is. And we're gonna go do the same thing again. By the way, this fluid will go everywhere, so just kind of heads up. So I'm gonna kind of protect the camera a little bit, but see it? And you can hear inside the system it clicking and clacking. Oh crap, okay. All right. So now it's serious. If I kind of lift this up, you'll see. So it's a little bit below max, which is good. But this will run just for a few seconds and it will do it again. Or not. Yep, there it goes. And you can hear the wah from the pump down there. So you can see there's spatter everywhere. Like it gets literally everywhere. So heads up on that one. Be careful with that. So it's just gonna work itself out. And that's it. That's all you do. Just wait until it finishes. I usually run it a couple more times just to be sure. See, there it goes again. Ah. And like I said, it sprays everywhere, so I'm kind of covering this up. But it's gonna work all those bubbles out. So anyway, quick video. Pretty cool, huh?